I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your multi-information display in your Lexus. And of course, I'm talking about the screen behind your steering wheel on your dashboard. This right here is the multi-information display, and it's so much more than a digital speedometer. By pressing a few buttons on your steering wheel, you can get readouts on your odometer, gear position, and drive mode. Plus, it can display incoming calls, the title of the current song playing, and so much more. To access all the different menus associated with your multi-information display, you can press the side arrows on the left side of your steering wheel. By pressing the up and down buttons, you can quickly cycle through the different available screens. If your Lexus has a trackpad, you can press the OK button and then scroll through your options by using the trackpad. If you select the eye icon, you'll have access to the Eco Driving indication, the ability to view the tire pressure, or you can turn off the multi-information display. Under the gear icon, you can change the language, units of measure, view the speedometer, or you can choose a clock, accent color, and more. The Lexus multi-information display was designed to help keep your eyes focused on the road. We strongly recommend that you make any changes to your system only when your Lexus is parked. For more information, please contact your sales manager, visit our website, refer to the owner's manual, or come visit us at JM Lexus. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date on the latest videos from JM Lexus.